Hi everyone, it's Melissa Phillips here with you. Happy New Year. Today I'm sharing a card created for paper tray ink that would be perfect for Valentine or wedding or anniversary. And I've used so many of the new products from the December release, so I thought we'd get started on making this together today. I began with the This Is Big Sentiments, Definitions of Love, die and stamps, and just used classic craft ink to stamp my sentiment across the front of that die cut scrap of paper. Next comes the Leave a Little Think stamp set, and I am just using some Tim Holtz ink, stamping in a soft pink for my base color, and then using some more Tim Holtz ink and Festive Berries to add a little shading and variation and color to my die cut leaves. And then I've repeated the process with the larger sprig of leaves from the Leave a Little Think stamp and die collections. This pink is called Sponge Sugar from Tim Holtz. And the red is Festive Berries. I wanted to do a traditional red, white, and pink Valentine card. Alright, now that I've got those stamped, I have used the Love to Layer Polished Points die, the largest of the three, and some pattern paper. I'm just adhering that to the center of my white card front. And then I'm going to use some scrunch seam binding in pink and tie a double bow. So here I've wrapped it around once, tied a single bow, trimmed my end, and then I'm going to thread it through that long strand and tie a second bow. Tie it as tight as I can and then scrunch it towards the middle, the center of that first bow, and that creates a double scrunched seam binding bow. Next, I've used the pattern paper again, but just use the opposite side to get that brilliant floral, red, white, and pink floral from the Heirloom Hearts die collection, and then a Vellum heart. Those are going underneath my strand of scrunch seam binding. But this solid heart cut from Stamper Select White is going to go directly over the top. Okay, before I adhere my Leave a Little Thanks images, I'm going to splatter on some Distress Spritz in Fired Brick. And then a little in Fossilized Amber, just to bring in some shimmer. These are two of my favorite colors and most often used colors in the Distress Spritz line. Okay, these I'm going to tuck under my Definitions of Love die cut. And so I'm just kind of moving these around a little bit to figure out where I want to place them. The more full sprig of Leave a Little Thanks I tuck under the vellum layer. And that's in the upper right corner. Then I adhere the Definition of Love and tuck that smaller sprig just underneath the bottom edge of that. Then comes the word Adore from the This Is Big Sentiments Definition of Love, and I'm stamping it in black so that it will really stand out. Adore is one of my favorite words. I just love that word, so I wanted to use it. But this particular die collection comes with the three words: caring, love, and adore. Then I've used the Into the Blooms Bouquet just to bring in some florals and a little bit more fullness. I'm using Festive Berries, and I'm just lightly ink blending the center. Then Lumberjack Plaid to bring in just a little bit deeper red. I'm not I'm not coloring those solidly. I just want to leave a little bit of white around those edges so that they have a more of a realistic look. The greenery here, I am using simply chartreuse and pine feather. And then for the centers of my flowers, I'm using true black. And before I assemble those, I'll go ahead and use the same fired brick distress spritz and splatter on some color. And then some fossilized amber. And this can be used on all of the images. I wanted the fired brick just on the blossoms. And then a little bit of white paint splatter as well. It's really hard to see in the video, but it's there. Okay, and so I've gone ahead and I'm assembling those. And I'm just going to adhere them where those sprigs come up and out of my heart. So in that upper right and near that lower left corner. And I just love what the green does to this card. It just adds a little bit of life. So I'm tucking leaves in here and there and decided that I needed a couple of more. So I used the the Into the Blooms Bouquet once again, and I'm using this long spray of green. And that was ink blended using green parakeet, and I'll just tuck those in to add a little bit of fullness. Next, I am adhering that to my Sweet Blush card base. Then we need a little bit of sparkle, so I'm using some Adhesive Gems. They're kind of opaque, a pink opaque. They tie in perfectly with this color scheme. And just scattering them across the front of my card. And lastly comes Crystal Stickles Glitter. And I'm just going to use them on my flowers, my flower centers, and my leaves. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you'll create your own, and I will see you next time.